Now let us discuss few more places where you can place your keywords, like in domain name, URL optimizer, alt text, and so many other places. So let me show you. In the continuation, the next place is domain name. If it is possible, use keyword domains. What are keyword domains? A keyword domain refers to the domain that is having keywords about your business, product, or service. Let us look at this one example. There is one website having domain websitesetup.org. Let us see where this website will be ranked if someone search for how to set a website in Google. See, this website having domain websitesetup.org has been ranked at very top position because its domain has few keywords of search query. Similarly, let us search for how to become writer today. See here, becomewritertoday.com has been ranked first as it has your keywords. Even the second result is from the same website. The next technique is URL optimizer. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator and is the address of your web page, like here. In WordPress, URL is automatically created for any post or page. However, we have to optimize the URL as well by placing few relevant keywords which explain the meaning of the page or post to the search engines. Let's see how to optimize the URL in WordPress. There are few default ways in the WordPress to customize the URL. To check it, go to WordPress dashboard. From settings, go to permalinks. Here you can see different ways to customize the URL. Like presently, it is month and name. That means the URL will be created automatically, first year, then date, and then title of the post or page. Similarly, we have other options, but it is usually suggested to keep month and name option. If you want to customize the structure of your URL by adding few more options here, such as name of the category, post ID, day, or name of the author, and you can use these options and save the changes. But the problem here is you cannot add few more words of your choice from your side, like I want to add a keyword social media marketing here. How to do it? Go to all post, select edit post in which you want to add the few more keywords. Go to document settings of that page and then permalinks. In URL slug, you can add any word you want, like social media marketing with hyphen in each word. And also notice in URL preview it has been added. Now update it and refreshing the page, see it has been added to the URL. So this way you can fully customize the URL by inserting any keyword which you think is the best for that page or post. Next point is alt text. Alt text or alternative text is primarily used to describe the images for those who cannot see it, such as visually impaired. However, it has great significance in the search engine optimization as it helps the search engines to properly understand the description and context of any image and help them to index the site properly. Let me show you how to add alt text to the images. When you are inserting any image in a post or page from media library, then option to add alt text appear on the right side of the window, like here. Add text to describe the image. Your alt text is added. Here, try to include important keywords in the alt text. Further, Include keywords in the caption and description. If you are adding image directly from desktop, then add the alt text from the image block by going to the image settings. So with this, we have completed our first module on search engine optimization techniques. Try to apply these techniques to your website. But don't be under this impression that your website will be ranked first in the Google search results in a single day. Search engine optimization is a continuous process and it may take the time to have the desired result. All the best.